The U.S. Supreme Court threw out Friday a lawsuit from Texas that sought to overturn President-elect Joe Biden's victory in 4 battleground states, dealing the biggest blow yet to President Donald Trump's overwhelmingly unsuccessful effort to challenge the election results in the courts as he and his allies had rallied behind the long-shot litigation. The Texas case is now the second post-election lawsuit the Supreme Court has rejected, after the High Court previously threw out a lawsuit brought by Pennsylvania GOP candidates challenging the state's election results. The president and his allies had long pinned their hopes in their legal fight on the Supreme Court, repeatedly stating their goal with lower court cases was to get to the Supreme Court and predicting the election would be decided by the court and its 6-3 conservative majority. The Supreme Court's rejection of the case is in line with how courts have overwhelmingly responded to the Trump campaign and GOP's post-election cases, as Republicans have lost more than 50 court cases and only netted one minor win. A number of conservative judges have rejected the GOP's arguments alleging voter fraud and improprieties with the election results, including multiple Trump appointees. In addition to the 17 Republican state attorneys general that backed the Texas lawsuit, the suit even garnered the support of states that don't actually exist, as an amicus brief was filed on behalf of New California and New Nevada. There are still other outstanding legal challenges to the election results that are still ongoing, including multiple Supreme Court petitions, though all are likely to fail. The deluge of post-election litigation is expected to be brought to an end by the Electoral College officially approving Biden's win on Monday, though the Trump campaign has suggested it could potentially continue its fight into January. The broad support for Texas's attempt to overturn the election results among the president's congressional allies also suggests that lawmakers are likely to try to challenge the election results when Congress meets to approve the vote tallies on January 6, though those efforts are not expected to succeed. Cacophony of Bogus Claims. Over 25 states and territories slam Texas's Supreme Court. Lawsuit to overturn election. Forbes. 106 House Republicans support Trump-backed lawsuit to overturn election. Forbes. 6 states want to join Texas. Trump attempt to overturn election in Supreme Court. Forbes. 17 states agree the Supreme Court should overturn Biden's win. Forbes. Texas asks Supreme Court to overturn Biden's win in last-ditch election lawsuit. Forbes.